this is what you should follow.
The most modern technique right now in today's world that anyone can get for themselves for hair transplant.
Everything was very well explained and informed. It clearly shows how informative and how professional the team was. I was very confident just after the first meeting in person with the doctor and the team.
For me, I just wanted to make sure that it is done from the best doctor and from the best clinic.
It's really a place where you can feel comfortable and you can really trust it.
DHI, they're one of the leaders in this business. Their clinical standards, their customer or client service is just immaculate.
And when the procedure was done, it was completely painless. Like, I did not feel any pain at all, and the result was outstanding. As you can see that my hair has grown, and it just feels amazing.
Whenever I go out, I don't have to worry about anything. So you can already see the results. They are very, very good. I'm extremely happy with my results. So now, obviously, it has boosted my confidence.
And my parents also very happy with the result. The hair, which is aesthetic now and which is so important nowadays in terms of looks and in terms of your smartness and everything. So it's totally worth it.
Thank you, DHI, for this amazing hairstyle, amazing gift.
It's given me my hair back. It has nearly taken me around 10-15 years of my age back. So I've got my confidence, I've got my hair, I'm very pleased.
So you can see this big smile on my face.